What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Surprise, surprise. Today I'm working on an American Standard or Trane system package unit on the roof, air conditioner with a gas furnace. And as I was up here, obviously I already fixed the draining issues that were going on. You can see them there. It was plugged up. Ended up redoing the trap and cleaning it out. That's not why we're here making this video. We're going to be installing a hard start kit. Okay, this is a 5-ton, and this is the one that Trane says is okay to use on their systems because apparently they don't carry OEM ones at the moment, or it's been a little while actually, but I checked with them and they said that these are the ones to go with. So first of all, how do you know that you need a hard start kit, right? Well, you do what's called an inrush test. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Right now the power is pulled out. So the way you do an inrush test is with your meter. You got to have one that has inrush. Okay, so you're going to go, this is a high voltage system, so we're going to go to 600. We're going to put it on the compressor. We're going to click it to amps, and then we're going to press the inrush button. Okay, so there it is, right? Then we put our power in, and you can manually just push the contactor in, honestly, for a brief second, and there it is, right? 158. Now you go to the plate and you look up your locked rotor amps, and you see there the locked rotor amps is 134. So any number above that, you are essentially using more power on startup than recommended by the manufacturer, and you are in danger of locking a rotor. So there it is. There's the inrush test. Now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and start or install the hard start kit.